In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set up live stock alerts for Plants vs. Brainrots in your Discord server using Vulcan bot. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, a quick note, you are going to need at least 10 members in your server for this to work. In this case, in this server, I only do have 8, so let's switch over to my other one right here. What you're going to want to do first is actually open up Discord and scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see a Discover tab. Open that up and go specifically into the Apps section. What you're going to want to do up in the top left is search for Vulcan and hit enter. You're going to see this option for Vulcan right here. Go ahead and select it, and then you're going to have an add app section right here. Go ahead and choose add app and specifically select the option to add to my server. From here, go ahead and choose whatever server you would like. In this case, we're going to do the Boz Club right here. Hit continue and just hit authorize after that. And you may need to enter in an authentication code. Go ahead and enter that, and then you'll get a success message that looks something like this. From here, go to that server, and what you're going to want to do is actually create a new channel. So hit the little plus icon to create that channel, and specifically make it a text channel right here. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is just make this something like Vulcan alerts or something like Plants vs. Brainrots alerts. It's up to you. Hit create channel. You'll see that channel pop up down here. But once you're in this channel, go ahead and hit this little edit channel icon. It's going to look like a gear. Select that and go into the permissions tab. If you hit this little plus icon here and scroll down, you're going to see an option for Vulcan. It should be towards the bottom just because it is alphabetically sorted. Hit that on there. And while you are on this, I recommend dragging it up just a little bit in this order and just making sure that this option does have enable webhooks enabled. Don't forget to save those changes down at the very bottom. Next, back out of this section, and what you're going to want to do is type in dash stock alert, and then type in dash stock alert PVBR pings, and then at stocks channel. And then what you're going to want to do is put in the specific channel that you're in right now, which is going to be Vulcan alerts for me. And for this weather channel right here, you're going to want to put that exact same thing. So Vulcan alerts, and then you could select whatever roles you specifically want to ping for specific fruits. Say you do set this up with roles, or you could just do at everyone. It's completely up to you, but for the sake of this, we're just going to go ahead and put cactus and then at boosters. Go ahead and hit enter. It'll customize everything for you, and now that specific role is going to get alerts for that specific item in Plants vs. Brainrots. It's a super simple way to keep your community updated on Plants vs. Brainrots stock. If this guy did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.